I'm Tom Palmer and I'm the author of Rocky Takes the Lead, a World Book Day 2025 £1 book. And I'm in the Thoughtful Spot Children's Bookshop in Halifax, where I come to buy some of my books. And I've picked 5 books off the shelves that you might enjoy reading if you enjoy my book, Rocky Takes the Lead. You could read the Little People Big Dreams book about Megan Rapinoe, the American footballer. You could read Leah Williamson, the English footballer's new fiction series. This is The Wonder Team. You could read Eve Ainsworth, who writes really good football-related books. You could read my first Soccer Diaries book, which features Rocky. Or if you don't fancy any of them, you could try Frank Cottrell-Boyce's novel, and he's, as you probably know, the Children's Laureate. Lots of books to read in libraries and bookshops all around the country. I just hope you find something good for you.